Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, I'm sharing a few tips from our new book, Bloom 365. Here's a great way to fool your senses. When your favorite flowers aren't in bloom, like peonies or hydrangeas, you can use silk ones and a beautiful bouquet of fresh foliages. We've got some weeping eucalyptus and pittosporum inside here that even have a fragrance. Then we can simply come in and add our silk flowers. It's a great way for us to enjoy permanent flowers with fresh foliage. Here's a great tip to get a handle on your flower arrangement. We'll use some long foliage. I have cotoneaster. Elaeagnus or forsythia stems can be used the same way. I'll stick the long branches into my flower foam right at the base of my container. I'll do it on both sides. Then we draw our long pieces of foliage up to create a handle on our arrangement. I'll tie them together using a piece of craft-covered wire that'll look like tendrils once I have it tied off. It's a great way to get a handle on your arrangement. Here's a fun flower tip for dressing up your vase. I call it Leaf It to Mother Nature. We use a large leaf, like a fatsia leaf, and we'll attach it to our vase using a craft-covered wire. We'll get it positioned where we want it and twist our wire. Then we'll just wrap it around, securing our leaf in place. We'll bind our two ends together and twist the end of our craft wire to make it look like a tendril. A fatsia leaf will dry naturally and it will look beautiful. All you have to do is add flowers. I'm Schwanke, helping you bloom 365.